I got this question on my video of 10 things that I don't do as a Christian woman over 50, and I wanted to answer it. It is Janet. She says, but what about this? My husband is not abusive. He refuses to be frugal and is spending almost everything we have. So I have money he knows nothing about and tucked away, so he can't make me spend it. Okay, in that situation, I am okay with you hiding money. Your husband is not loving you as a bridegroom loves a bride. Ephesians 5:22-23. Wives, submit to your own husbands as you do to the Lord. For the husband is the head of the wife, as Christ is the head of the church, his body, of which he is Savior. Now, as the church submits to Christ, also wives should submit to their husbands in everything. Husbands, love your wives, just as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her, to make her holy, cleansing her by the washing of the water through the word, and to present himself as a radiant church, to present her to himself as a radiant church without stain or wrinkle or any other blemish, but holy and blameless. In this same way, husbands ought to love their wives as their own bodies. He who loves his wife loves himself. After all, no one ever hated his own body, but they fed and cared for their body, just as Christ does for the church. Your husband is not doing that.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.
Your husband is not doing that. So you have a very big marriage problem. If your husband is going out and buying trucks and snowmobiles and 4x4s, whatever the toy of the day is, tools, whatever, and he's just spending all your money, he's not loving you as he should, as he loves himself. He's supposed to love you more than he loves himself. So in that situation, I am fine with you hiding some money back because it's for your own protection, and that's just being wise. Now, I do think that you seriously need to get some marriage counseling. This is not okay. This is not okay behavior at all. For a husband to treat his wife this way is basically just throwing her under the bus and saying, I don't care what you think. I'm going to do what I want anyway. And it's the attitude of a toddler. And it just shows that all he thinks about is himself, and he doesn't think about you or the rest of the family. So in that situation, yes, I would go ahead and keep some money back that I wouldn't tell him about just for your own protection. I would seriously consider marriage counseling because it sounds like you guys really need it.